Hello my dear students, have a great day. Welcome you all for the next very important topic in the fourth chapter planning, that is types of plans. So basically plans are broadly categorized into three types or three groups. First one is standing plan, single use plan and the nature of both standing and single use plans. So here classification of plans based on the nature of project, the duration of the project and organizational necessity and requirement. Based on the organizational necessity, requirement and the length and duration of the projects and the nature of the project, plans are broadly categorized into three types. One is standing plan, single use and both standing and single use. So first one is standing plan or a standing plan, standing. We use for a longer duration. Or regularly we use for a longer duration for day-to-day operations of the organization. Those are standing plans. Here standing plans means standing plans are those meant or developed for the activities which we execute or which we run regularly in the organization, and to monitor and to manage the regular or a day-to-day activities of the organization, we require some plans. Those plans are called standing plans. And oftenly and whenever the necessity of modification and changes require, that time we modify and we change such kind of plans. Those are standing plans. Second one is single use plans. So here single use plans means the plans which are meant or developed for the one time purpose or to accomplish a particular event or a particular project, and we may not use those plans for the some other projects or new events or new activities of the organization. Those are single use plans. And single use plans we destroy after the accomplishment of a particular event or a particular project. And single use plans we may use for one day, 1 week or 1 month. So totally single use plans are vested and pertaining to the accomplishment of particular event or a particular project. But standing plans we use regularly in the organization to manage regular activities of the organization, means operational activities, production activity, marketing activity, finance activity, HR activities, right? To run the day-to-day operational activities of the organization, to manage day-to-day functions of the organization, standing plans are very important. So we use regularly, we use continuously, oftenly we change, we modify standing plans. But single use plans are developed once, implemented to accomplish a particular event or a particular project. After the accomplishment of particular project we destroy and we do not use. But standing plans we do not destroy, we modify and we bring certain changes and we go ahead with the day-to-day activities. And standing plans are longer duration plans. Single use plans, shorter duration plans. Shorter duration plans, longer duration plans. Both standing and single use. Some plans we use regularly on day-to-day activities of the organizations, and we use for the accomplishment of a particular event or a particular project. Those are both single use and standing plans. Example, here strategy, very important. Strategy is the best example for both single and standing. So strategies, right, may be pertaining to a particular project or to the accomplishment of particular project, or we may use the same strategy for else functions and activities of the organization. through implementing required changes. Strategy is the best example. So strategy we may use for a particular events or a particular project's purpose, or we may use strategies for the execution of new projects and new events and else activities of the organization. Single use plans. So objectives, so here budget and program. Budget and program, these two are the examples for single use plans. To the standing plans, objectives, policies, procedure, method, rules. So these are the examples for standing plans.